Okay, people, this is day 14 in the blizzard, as you can see. Down to my last pack of fags and a few little Chinese appetizers, and of course my Coke and my summer foods. Squash. It's not looking good. I'm into Godstone at the moment. Oh my god, it's terrible! There's people dying all around us! I saw a squirrel and it was frozen dead. So good. I gotta calm down, just compose myself, and I'm gonna get through this because I've got to go back for my family, my girlfriend Taluna, and of course Steve as well, who's out there somewhere. Hang in there, dude. Hang in there. Over and out.